Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unfreeze TikTok account. So the first thing that we're going to check is whether your account has any kind of issues or not. For that you'll need to open your TikTok, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from here simply tap on profile, open your profile, then tap on the menu bar in order to get to the settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy, and then from here you'll have to now scroll all the way down and then tap on help center. So after tapping on help center, here you can get the option of chat with us, tap on it, and then from here you'll have to now write account status. Here you can see I have already done that. From that you'll get this option of check account. All you need to do is tap on check account, and then here this will now check your account, and if your account has any kind of issues it will be shown here, and all you need to do is go through the process of how to recover your account. If this is not the problem, then there might be some other problem that you are facing. So you can simply just chat with the help center of TikTok. So now I'm going to go back, and in here under the chat with us option, here you can see this was the chat with us option. And just like that, I wrote account status and they showed me this option. And just like that, if you are facing any kind of other problem, you can simply write them down. You can simply write down what kind of problem you're facing and simply send that, and like that they will be sending you any solutions that you can do, and you can go through the process of it. So if all of this is still not working, then the last thing that you can try to do is simply try to offload your application, for which get to the settings of your phone, and then from here scroll down, then tap on general. After tapping on general, tap on iPhone storage, and then you'll have to now scroll down, and here you can see all of the applications from which search for TikTok, just like this. Tap on TikTok and then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time, and just like this, within few seconds we will successfully be able to offload our application, and like that we have now successfully cleared all of the cache or any kind of bug that your application is facing. So now again tap on reinstall app and reinstall this application again on your phone, and you are now good to go. And yeah, that is it. These were some few ways that you can try in order to unfreeze your TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.